In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in QuickBooks. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you should see a sign-in option prominently displayed. Click on this to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the platform you're logging into. In this case, go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. This selection is crucial as it ensures you're directed to the correct interface for making your changes. After choosing QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password and then click Continue. Be sure to double check your entries here to avoid any errors that might prevent you from logging in. If everything is entered correctly, you should now be logged into your QuickBooks account. Now take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile photo or icon displayed here. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From these options, locate and click on Manage Your Intuit account. This will direct you to the page where you can make changes to your account settings and information. At this point, QuickBooks may ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons. This is a routine measure to ensure that your account remains secure, so go ahead and type in your current password once more. Now that you've authenticated your identity, look for the Sign In and Security tab, which is usually located alongside other account settings. Click on this tab to proceed further. Within the Sign In and Security section, you should see an option labeled Password. This is where you'll be making your change. Clicking on Password will prompt you to enter both your old password and your desired new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. Ideally, it should combine letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review it to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, go ahead and submit the changes. QuickBooks will process your request, and you should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've now changed your QuickBooks password. For future reference, remember to keep your new password safe and memorable, yet hard for others to guess. Regularly updating your passwords is a great habit to maintain for the security of your online accounts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful.